cuties, welcome back to my channel. As always, I'm excited you're here today. Today I'm going to be doing another cook with me video, and I am making something a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I really want to try it. I think it's going to be delicious. So today I'm making coconut curry shrimp, and it's on the WW app. It's only 2 points per serving, of course, because of the shrimp. So I'm really excited to try it. I'm going to add some vegetables to mine, which the recipe does not call for. I'm also going to serve it over half a cup of rice, which is an additional 3 points. So that's 5 points for this meal. And I'm really excited to try it. We're going to try it together because I haven't ever made it. I don't really cook a lot with curry powder, which is what this recipe calls for. I do make a chicken salad and I add curry powder and some turmeric to it, and I enjoy that. So I'm hoping this is going to be just as good, maybe even better, because it has coconut milk in it. So it's going to be really kind of a little creamy. So I'm excited to show you how I make this and give it a try. We can try it together, and stay tuned for how to cook coconut curry shrimp. This is coconut curry shrimp from the WW app, and I'm just going to go over some of the ingredients here. So here's the curry powder, and I'm just using a very mild one right from the grocery store, a tablespoon. Over here is my unsweetened light coconut milk, and you just need half a cup of that. And over here is my scallions and the shrimp. These are very big shrimp, by the way, that have been cleaned and the tail's taken off, but they're very big. And I'm going to add some broccoli florets. I just feel like it needs some vegetables. The recipe does not call for anything. I really think like cabbage would even be good in this, but tonight I'm gonna just steam up some broccoli. It's a Monday night. I'm gonna be using some frozen brown rice, and that's for me. And I have some leftover white rice, so hubby's gonna have that. I'll just warm it up and maybe add a little bit of water to it, and we're gonna get started. So I have my medium skillet, and I just sprayed it with a little cooking spray. I am going to add olive oil and the curry powder and some of the whites from the scallions, and I'm just gonna saute that up for about 1 minute. Here's the curry powder and the scallions cooking up in the oil, and that's 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Just has a couple more seconds to cook. It smells amazing, so stick around. Okay, so I added the coconut milk. Again, even adding the coconut milk, the smell is incredible. So I did add the shrimp also, and I'm just gonna let this cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. The shrimp is gonna cook pretty quickly, and you don't wanna overcook it. So I will show you what the next step is. I'm going to actually warm up the rice and then plate it, and then I'll show you the finished product. How does that sound? I think it sounds great. So stick around for the finished product. I made a little change to the recipe. I actually cooked the shrimp in this mixture, and then I took the shrimp out, and I'm just reducing the sauce. It seemed a little bit watery. So my broccoli, I don't know if you can hear the microwave, but it's steaming up right now. And then I'm going to steam the rice that's already cooked. It just has to be warmed up. And I think by then this sauce will be reduced, and I'll plate it up. Stick around for the finished product. So sure enough, once I took that shrimp out and let this reduce by itself, it got really thick, a little thicker than it was before, and I think it's perfect. So again, stick around. I really mean it this time for the final product. Okay, there's my finished product. I think it looks pretty darn good. So I am going to eat this and hopefully enjoy it. Now I'm wondering if it might be a little spicy. I actually didn't try it, which I normally do. And I did add some sesame seeds, but it's coconut curry shrimp on the WW app, and I'm going to link the recipe below if you want to give it a try. I hope you do. And please comment below and let me know if you try it and what you think about it. It's like the fastest recipe I've ever made. Of course, it helps if you have pre-cooked rice, because that will probably take the longest. But of course, the shrimp cooks pretty quickly. So I hope you give it a try. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more of these types of videos, please subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up and hit the bell notification if you want to see more of my videos when I upload. I do some what I eat in a day on WW. I also occasionally will do a sit down little chat about the journey of weight loss and things like that. And I'm probably going to have one of those coming up soon. So hit that bell notification so you're notified when I upload that video or any other video. So thanks for watching. Have a great night.